Alright, I still got a bunch of time before the court goes back in session. So what I'm gonna do from now on is when there's a break, I'll just do a recap up until that point, and then if I see anything noteworthy after that, I'll do it in the morning when I start each day. So you'll get two recaps, just different times. Okay, so this is day two. And I have to talk about appearances first. Okay. So they must have talked to Hannah and told her how to look and everything because, okay, now she has on a nice face of makeup, not too much, whatever. I guess they want to portray how young she is and also give her the idea of girl next door. So because if you look at her makeup, she has a little bit of lipstick on and a little bit of blush and a little bit of eyeshadow, but a little bit, but nothing too over dramatic and all that stuff. And then if you look at her hair, she has like pencils or something stuck in her hair. So I don't know why that is, but okay. Okay. Then we go on to the presentation of witnesses and things like that. Okay, so her attorney is Mr. Bowles. Okay, and then the state prosecutor is, I don't know what her name is, but let me just say her voice is like, wow. Because I started watching the trial as soon as it started. I was up before the trial today, and they said 10:15 was supposed to be the start. They didn't start till 10:45. So half an hour late. Okay, so it was about 11, like right before noon, and I swear I started yawning. And I know I'm fully rested, so it's not that I'm tired. Just this trial, the way they're doing it is not exciting or anything. And also the way the prosecution asked questions, it seems very leading to me. And also, she doesn't seem that prepared in her questions. And then the defense lawyer, uh, he doesn't lead that much. However, he doesn't seem that prepared either. So I don't know what's going on. I mean, he's a little bit more prepared than the state, but he's not that much more, you know. And they're doing what they're supposed to do, okay? Because the state is trying to prove a case, and the defendant is trying to defend, you know. So I could see it clearly that whatever the state said, defend the attorney for the defense asked questions to poke holes in the evidence that was just given 5 minutes ago. Um, But the state's witnesses don't seem like they're prepared at all because there were two witnesses so far. There was a girl, I don't know her name, but she had to look at her report twice, and then she still had to correct herself on the stand. That's one thing. Then the other one was he actually said the next witness said, "Well, if you want me to guess," and and they said, "No, don't guess, don't guess." So yeah, I would say unless if this trend continues, unless the defense attorney has a hell of a defense, Hannah is going down because there's no way. I don't think at this point there's any way that the defense attorney can refute everything the state is putting out there. That's just my estimation. I'm just a layman. But this trial is dragging like you wouldn't believe. So, I don't know. And like I said, a markedly different appearance for Hannah. So, see how this all pans out. I mean, I'm interested. Okay, here's another thing. They're saying things against Alec Baldwin, and I understand what they're trying to do. But Alec Baldwin is not on trial here, so they're just trying to say it wasn't Hannah. I understand that. But he's not on trial. Yeah. All right.